Appearances.
May it please me, Lord.
Yes.
My name is Idigbe. Humbly below that, the judgment we can.
Any other appearance?
Respectfully, my lord, sir. My lord.
Go ahead.
EA
Yes.
Major. My lord, I appear with N.A. Abubakar for the
M.A. Abdulrazak.
N.A. Abubakar.
Oh, Abubakar.
Yes, my lord. We appear for the judgment debtor.
Very well. Are you in receipt of the application filed by the claimants, the judgment creditors?
Yes, my lord. We are in receipt of same. We have filed our counter affidavit as well as file.
When did you file it? When did you file it?
We filed our counter on the 11th day of April.
It's not before the court as yet. Court registrar. Why haven't you sent it to Abuja?
My lord, it was after we sent the other processes before this one was filed. So we are yet to send it.
And but you know that the matter is coming up today. You ought to have sent it. Mr. Boni, are you in receipt of the response by the judgment debtors?
Yes, my lord. I was only served yesterday, sir. I was served yesterday.
Very well, so it's not yet right for hearing. Take a date.
As God please.
21st. Oh, 21st June.
Hearing of application. Give us 20th, I beg.
It's either you pick 19th or 21st.
Yes, I gone to 25th of June 2023 for hearing of application.
Yes, sir. 19th.
Call the next case.
Yes, number 2. NICN LKJ 11.
Court registrar.
Yes, my lord.
Court registrar.
Yes, my lord.
What day of the week is 25th of June?
21st, my lord, not 25th, 21st.
Okay, 21st.
It's on a Wednesday.
Very well. Very well, 21st of June.
Yes, my lord, it's on a Wednesday.
25th is a Sunday.
21, 6, 2023, 21, 6. Who is in court?
Please.
Parties are absent.
Who is in court? Parties are absent. Appearances.
Yes,
appearances. Counsel. Is there any counsel for this matter?
Yes, my lord.
Announce your appearance.
I'm going to, sir. Please. My name is Idigbe. Lord,
any other appearance? Any other appearance? Go ahead and announce your appearance. I cannot hear you.
Check your audio.
Appropriately place the phone or whatever you're using, the tablet you're using in front of you and talk to it so I can hear you clearly. Yes. J.U. what?
Jonathan Omale.
J.U. or Jonathan Omale, that's the name.
Yes. J.U. initials.
You are for who? Are you for the defendant? Very well. I have your final written address here. Mr. Obuni, have you filed for the claimant?
Sorry, my lord, I'm not done yet. My lord, appearing with me is TM.
With you is who? I can't hear you. I cannot hear you, please. Are you in the courtroom?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
If you are in the courtroom, place the phone or the tablet you are using, place it before you. You can see me. You can see that the system I'm using is just in front of me, so I can talk clearly and you can hear me. So place the system you are using before you and talk to it.
Yes, my lord.
Very well. So I can hear you now. You are with who?
Yes, my lord. Appearing with me
is
DM. Okolo.
I know him. I know the him.
The principal legal officer. Yes, my lord.
If he had filed the final written address on behalf of the claimant, I can see that the defendant had filed. Eh?
On behalf of
When did you file? You only filed 2 days ago.
Before yesterday, my lord.
I don't have it here. Omale Esquire, are you in receipt of the final written address filed by the claimant?
Yes, my lord. Finally, address.
Do you want to file a reply on point of law?
Yes, we did, my lord.
You want to file?
Yes, my lord.
So do file and then write a letter. Both of you should write a simple letter, pursuant to the 10 of the practice direction, adopting your respective final written addresses, okay?
Yes, my lord.
Very well.
Let me check the audio.
My lord.
So a date, judgment date will be communicated to you.
As court please. Lord, sir.
Uh-huh.
The first matter, sir. I did not know.
I did not get it, sir.
The 21st
Ask the court registrar.
the 21st is not convenient. 19.
Call the next case court registrar. Then counsel sort that out with the court registrar, okay?
Case number 3, NICN LKJ 19N 2021 between Amodu Oseni Albert and Kogi State government and 3 others. My lord, the applicant is absent. The 3rd respondent is in court, my lord. The session secretary. Your name?
What's his name?
Jimo Balogun.
Appearances.
My Lord, I'm
Can't hear you.
Please, my Lord, I am ending by humbly announcing my plans for the government creditor applicant. We apologize for the applicant's absence in court.
Any other appearance? Any other appearance? Unmute your phone.
With great respect, my name is Victor Otori.
Yes. Victor what? Victor what? Check your audio. Check your audio.
My Lord.
Victor Okori. Very well. You are for who?
Level officer and third respondent. Level officer and third respondent.
Jimo Balogun, have you complied with the order of court?
My Lord, and that we have complied with the order of the court.
Any counsel?
My Lord,
Like I told your learned friend the other time, place your phone in front of you. You have even muted your audio now. So mute it. Unmute it and place it before you. Talk to the system or phone or whatever you're using. So talk to me now.
My Lord,
yes.
On behalf of the third respondent and on behalf of the third and the other last respondent, same as the complaint.
What and what has he done?
He has forwarded the documents as far as the retirement benefit to the appropriate general's office.
To whose office? To whose office?
No. To the or the Office of the Auditor General for Local Government.
Do you have copies in court?
The Office of the Auditor General, in swift response, gave an award letter. Is here.
And gave which letter?
Sorry, my lord.
You said the Office of the Auditor General has responded and did what?
Award letter for the payment of retirement benefits.
Award letter to who?
For payment of retirement benefits to the judgment creditor.
Do you have copies of those letters in court?
Very well, my lord.
Mr. Bayeri.
My lord, we are in receipt of the letter for the payment of the retirement benefit.
Very
a check
well.
to that have not been attached to it, my lord. A check has not been attached to it.
Which check?
Check for the payment of the money, my lord.
But you are in receipt of what?
Yeah,
you said you are in receipt of what?
The letter for the payment of retirement benefit of our clients, my lord.
But they haven't complied by paying the money.
They have not complied by paying the money.
What's the date on the letter?
On the 3rd day of April, my lord. I'm sorry, 3rd day of April.
3rd of April.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Otori, why hasn't the money been paid?
Very well, I would want to state in clear terms that what my learned friend is talking about as regards check being attached to payment of retirement benefit is not obtainable here in Kogi State or, as much as I know, any other place.
So what is the procedure? Listen.
Very well, what happens
listen. When is my benefit going to be paid? That's all.
The benefit will be paid as from this month. He should start receiving his pension benefit from the end of this month. As every other persons are receiving, he will receive into his account. This award for payment of retirement benefits is a lead way to that. Once you get this, you are sure of all of that, or the payment procedure as far as pension monthly payment is concerned.
Mr. Bayeri, what is the amount stated in that letter? Because I don't have it here. You ought to have filed a copy.
The letter is addressed to Director General Kogi State Pension Commission. Secretariat Complex is 1 Lokoja.
What is the meat of the letter, the content? Just tell me what is there.
my Lord, is a payment of retirement benefit.
Mm-hmm.
Of Ahmadu Husseini Albert.
Mm-hmm.
The awards are as follows.
Mm-hmm.
Gratitude payable is 9 million.
7 million.
Is 7 million.
I'm listening.
1 naira. 7. $151 kobo. Pension payable. $1,875,133 naira 75 kobo. There are no liabilities.
So, Mr. Tori, the 7-point-something million or 9-point-something million that is in that letter, when is that going to be paid? That's the issue. It's a lump sum. That's different from monthly pension.
My Lord, in Kogi State, my Lord, for possibility of fund, when we talk about gratuity pay, it's paid in percentage.
It's paid what?
It's paid in percentage, it's 30% of positive of fund.
So what percentage are you going to pay first?
My Lord, I am not in a position to confirm that. It's the office of the Pension Commission.
Mr. Jimo Balogun. Mr. Jimo Balogun.
My Lord.
Yes. How much are you going to pay the claimant? And when is it going to be paid?
My Lord, I'm not the one to pay.
Who is to pay?
I'm not in the position, my Lord.
Eh?
I'm not in that position, my Lord.
Who is to pay?
It is the office of a pension board.
That is to pay the lump sum.
Yes, my Lord. Pension board, my Lord.
Mr. Otori?
My Lord.
Who is the head of that office?
My Lord, I except I confirm that I wouldn't know. But my Lord, I want to stay to the court, my Lord.
Uh-huh.
As far as this is concerned,
this money. And listen. By
yes,
merely writing a letter doesn't amount to money in the pocket of the judgment creditor who has obtained judgment. So you have to ensure that payment is made.
And my Lord, I'm not in a position, in the education secretary, myself as a lawyer in the Ministry of Justice is not in any position to ensure payment.
So who is in the position? That's why I'm asking you, who is in the position so that we order that person comes to court and tell the court.
My Lord, I say, except I make the confirmation. I am an officer in the Kogi State Universal Basic Education Board from the Office of the Attorney General.
Mr. Bayeri, what do you want to say to all this?
An adjournment to officer in charge of the pension board. Supreme the officer in the pension board. This is just a copy of the payment of submitted to them.
My Lord, sir. For the payment of retirement benefits, at the stage we are supposed to the pension the government credit is not for us to now, my Lord, what I'm saying.
Yes.
Is that the stage we are right now is for the pension to follow up on his payments, and not for us to start going back to the beginning of the matter by inviting the pension office. When they go there, they will see and they will follow up from there. We are taking an adjournment.
Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself, Mr. Otori.
My Lord, I'm here.
Let's assume that you are retired now. You have worked for state government, Kogi. You spent all your years in service. And after doing all that, you are retired. Your benefits, you have to be going back and forth before government or before you receive your benefit. You're entitled, you're lawful, statutorily lawful entitlements. How would you feel? That you have to be going back and forth, going from one office, going to this place, begging them, asking them, how far have you gone? Oh, please, oh, my pension. Please, oh, my gratuity. How will you feel? Well, I'm going to adjourn this matter. And by the next adjourn date, Mr. Bayeri, the ball is in your court. You as counsel should know what to do. You know what to do. Mr. Jima Balogun, you have not been discharged by this court. Mr. Bayeri, you know what to do as counsel. The court will not teach your work. They have specified the money. You know if they have money somewhere. So you do the needful and get the money out. Whatever you can do as counsel, as a professional in this instance, you now know how much. You now know they have stated it clearly. And that is admission already. So you as counsel, you should know what to do. The court will not teach you what to do next. You know what to do to get your client his rightful benefit. So give me a date, court registrar.
My Lord, we have an application. We have an application to make, my Lord.
23rd May. 23 May.
My Lord, regarding this matter, we have an application, my Lord, to make at this point.
The matter is still going on.
Very well. And that's what I have an application.
What date? What is the application that you have?
The application is to discharge the education secretary and the State Universal Basic Education Board as far as this matter is concerned, because their responsibility in this matter has been adequately discharged. It's about filing procedure, sending letters out, which they have complied with by the order of this court. They are not in any way the retirement benefit of the government creditor. And as such, they are applying that these parties be discharged. The education secretary was never part of the substantive suit. It was brought in the middle of the suit or after judgment. He has come to do what is needful, and we're not applying that he is charged. And he works under the office of the State Universal Basic Education Board. So we are applying that this party is charged accordingly.
Very well. Mr. Bayeri, what do you have? What's your response to that?
We are putting the application, my Lord, because the last order has not been complied with. and order that is the name of that is to the list and direct payment the outstanding pensions to him. So
I cannot see you, Mr. Bayeri. I can't see your face. I can't see you.
My Lord.
And check your audio. Check your audio to see whether it is muted or not.
Bring the phone. Let me.
My Lord.
Yes.
The order is subsisting. The first arm of which I have been complied with, remaining the second, that directs that payment of the outstanding pension scheme had not been materialized, not been effected, I mean. So by next adjourned date, if they come out to give us the money, we will now apply that he should be discharged.
What register? What date? What date?
2-3 May, my Lord.
Court registrar.
Yes, my Lord.
23rd of May.
Hello.
Jimo Balogun is temporary discharge. He is to be in court at the next adjourned date, which is on 23rd of May 2023, for report of complete compliance. Call the next case. Call the next case.
Case number 4, NICN LKJ 9. Sorry, NICN LKJ 19, 2022, between Mrs. Zainab Yusuf Abrahams and Kogi State Government and 3 others. Parties are absent, my Lord.
Appearances. Any appearance?
Check audio.
Any appearance in the courtroom or online?
Yes, my Lord.
Please, my Lord.
Announce the appearance.
Hey, please, my Lord.
I
am A. Onoja, appearing with A. Idigbe and T. Owonibi for the applicant.
With you are
A. Idigbe, my Lord.
And
T. Owonibi. Owonibi, yes, my Lord. For the applicant.
Very well. Any other appearance?
We because my name is Tunji Lokoja, Assistant Director Litigation, Ministry of Justice.
Yes, you are for
the appearance is for the respondent. First to respondent.
Very well.
Well, the application is for hearing.
Mr. Ujokai.
Yes, my Lord.
Will you file clean copies?
Yes, my Lord. Yes, my Lord. We have.
Okay. So
one filed on 13th December 2022.
Good. And Mr. Onoja is in receipt of the
yes, and I'll
clean copies.
Yes, my Lord.
When did you file the further affidavit?
It was on the 14th of December.
14th of December, okay. So go ahead.
Thank you, Minister. The application is hearing and is convenient for court can proceed.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Minister. This application is dated the 3rd day of September 2020 and filed the same day with God. The application is well portioned to the relevant laws as contained in the face of the motion paper. Your Lordship, for all the brief content of the motion paper. Compliance with the law. The application is supported with statements of the applicants, reliefs, docs, and the grants of the application of The application is further supported with 60 paragraph affidavit deposed by the applicant herself. 60 paragraph affidavit. With annexures styled as exhibit ZYA 1 to 4.
ZY
A 1 to 4.
A1
A to
4.
Yes, Lord. With the kindness of God, we seek to rely on all the paragraphs of the affidavit. By urging your Lordship, compliance with the rules of this honorable court. There is a written address of council dated the 20th of September 2020. The kindness of God who adopt same argument to the main application by urging your Lordship to grant this application.
Thank you.
Very well.
After enlargement of time, Lord, a copy of the council affidavit was served on us. Filed on the 15th of December 2022. And in reaction to same, the applicant filed a 37 cordial affidavit in reaction to the contract.
When did you file it?
It was filed on the 14th of December 2022. And next to the other affidavit and exhibit filed at A1A.
And next, how many
Just one.
Just one.
Yes. Filed at ZY1A.
ZYA1A.
1A. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And with the kindness of God, seek to rely on all the paragraphs of the affidavit in pursuit of it. Compliance with the rules of this honorable court. The applicant files a reply and pointers alongside the further affidavit. Graciously, Lord, to seek to adopt the furtherance of this application by urging your lordship to grant safe a peace law.
Very well. Mr. Jokai.
Yes, my lord. For the respondent, we filed after affidavit. The first correspondence dated 13th December 2022 and filed on the same book. Lord, exhibits only exhibits mark 1. We also filed along with the affidavits the both the counter and the argument against the applicants in this case. As part of argument.
Mr. Jokai, I can't hear you clearly.
As per argument. On the competence of the suit.
Did you write? Is that containing your written address?
My lord?
Is that containing the written address yourself? The court will go.
Yes, I'm pointing at the attention of your lordship to the particularly firstly as to the competence of the suit.
And that's why I asked if you had already written that in your final written address. Or
yes, my lord.
address in support of your counter. The court will look at it.
As court please.
Yes, I can see that in your paragraph 3.1.
Yes, my lord. I'm grateful.
To 3.
To
3.10, 11, or 12.
So 3.1.
So I can see that. Yes, I can look at it. I'll definitely.
You are grateful. You are grateful, sir. It's our further submission, my lord. Our further submission that the claimant, the applicant, is not entitled to any of the release by the fact and circumstances of the case. Which has been adequately taken care of by the procedure the applicant's employment. The applicant is not entitled to any relief under fundamental rights.
Very well.
As contained in the Constitution. We most humbly adopt all our arguments and urge your lordship to dismiss the case of the applicants.
Let me have the diary.
You know, sir, he said further to his argument, the applicant was terminated and he has not repeated any letter of termination to the applicant annexed to his counter affidavit.
My lord, my learned friend doesn't have the right to report. No, you don't. My lord, my learned friend for the applicant.
You said further to, it's not contained. What you said, if it's contained in your counter affidavit, I will not respond to it.
My friend has already filed a written address on law and further affidavit in response to our counter affidavit. There must be an argument.
My lord, I adequately responded to
Case adjourned to 18th of July 2023 for judgment. 18/7.
Thank you, my lord.
Ms. Onoja, I hope you reacted to the issue of competence of this suit.
Very well.
Raised by the counter. Very well. Call the next case.
Case number 5. NICN LKJ 06-2020 between Aya Sebastian and 8 others and Kogi State government and 3 others. My lord, parties are absent.
Very well, just a minute.
I cannot see it.
Who is in court?
All the parties are absent, my lord. Who? Where is he?
Is any party in court?
Okay. Yes, my lord, the
Eh?
first claimant is in court, yes. Others absent.
Others? Defendant?
Absent, my lord.
Appearances? Appearances?
My name is Os. May I please, my lord? My name is Osin Oboni. Come disappear for all the claimants.
Very well. Any other appearance? Any other appearance?
Yes, my lord.
Go ahead.
May it please the court. J.U. Jonathan Omake. Chief Legal Officer from Kogi State Ministry of Justice.
Very well.
My lord, DM Polo, the Principal Legal Officer, Kogi State Ministry of Justice. Yes, my lord. Our humble appearance is for the defendants.
Very well. The matter is for definite hearing. Are you ready, Mr. Boni?
Yes, my lord.
Invite your witness. And have you arranged documents you intend to tender through your witness as listed in the list of documents?
Yes, my lord, but we have a the document we want to tender, yes, sir, was initially tendered through a previous witness, sir.
Through?
A previous witness, sir. We have applied that.
So what do you want to do?
We want a copy of the same document.
So you want the documents. When did you apply for the documents?
This morning. And
so definitely this matter cannot proceed. Because the file is in Abuja.
Yes, sir, but I was telling them the witness had not been taken. The witness that we applied to be, that we withdrew or applied that be discharged was not. initially. So
Was
the
not
documents
what?
exactly. So the documents should still.
I can't hear you, Council. I can't hear you. What are you saying about documents? Eh?
You know, I am saying
Mr. Boni.
You know, I'm saying that we still want to tender those same documents through this witness.
And the documents are not there. That's what I'm saying.
But he can identify the documents, and the documents are with my Lord. So if we, apart from only one here, if my Lord will allow us to proceed in that light.
How can he identify documents that are not there? Do you have copies there?
We have the photocopies that were front-loaded.
Mr. Okay, let's proceed. Invite your witness.
The witness box already, my Lord.
What's the name of this witness? Because I recall that in 2021, one Abome Vincent testified.
Yes, sir. He's refusing to come again. So we are using the first thing.
He was discharged later.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. So go ahead and court registrar administer the oath on this particular witness.
I swear in the name of Almighty God, I swear.
Are you through?
Yes, madam.
Go on, Mr. Boni.
Again.
Mr. Boni, go ahead. Mr. Oboni, you are muted. The witness is equally muted.
Please, no, mute.
Court registrar.
Yes, my lord.
Unmute. Go ahead.
Remember some documents.
Yes.
What is he doing to this his testimony on oath?
Sorry, sir. What to take this as evidence in this matter?
Yes.
Remember you made some documents on oath, position on oath. The local offer of appointment all the claimants.
Yes.
Local confirmation of appointment of all the claimants.
Yes.
The statement of
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Go ahead, counsel.
where are these documents? Please take a look at these documents. Are they the documents?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
One is the position of
The document. This brother.
I'm listening.
Look at the have you identified the following documents? Normally we apply to tender them in evidence.
He has not identified the documents to the court. He has to tell the court what he has there.
Okay, look at this document. Look at this document. Tell the court. Please let me hold that.
offer of questionable appointment. Confirmation of appointments of S. Sebastian. And other colleagues. Offer of questionable appointment. The Ibadan local government authority. I asked Sebastian. Offer of promotion. I asked Sebastian. And the bank statement. I asked Sebastian.
What's the name of it?
Gutierrez. Nathaniel.
Mr. Boni,
Yes, my lord.
witness.
Nathaniel.
Wait. God wants to say something.
Witness. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? CW, can you hear me? Witness in the box, can you hear me? Mr. Boni, ask him if he can hear me.
Sir.
Can you hear?
I can hear the call. Yes.
You have the letters of offer of appointment of yourself and others, right? You have the confirmation of appointment, your own confirmation of appointment and your other colleagues. And you have your statement of account and those of your other colleagues.
Yes. The confirmation of appointment.
Do you have all these three documents, Mr. Boni?
Yes, my lord.
What do you want to do with the documents?
I'll apply to
Omale Esquire. Have you shown her?
Yeah, showing her, sir.
Any objection? No objection. Very well. All the documents are admitted in evidence and marked as B1 and B2.
I prefer please it.
Any other thing?
No, that's not for the sir.
Examination. Tell the witness to sit down and focus on the phone.
Focus.
Talk to it in answer to the questions that will be posed by the defense counsel so that I can hear him. Go ahead, Omale Esquire. Omale Esquire. Learned counsel, I can't hear you.
Yes, my lord.
Go ahead.
Mr. Sebastian, is it true that you're a teacher by profession?
Yes.
So as a teacher, you must have heard of the two federal teacher schemes. Did I yes? In fact, you participated in the federal teacher scheme.
No.
As a teacher.
So since
as a teacher, what?
I asked my Lord that
Yes.
will he participate in the federal teacher scheme? He said, no, my Lord.
Okay.
Since you did not participate in the federal teacher scheme, you will
In the
not know
federal
that.
teachers what?
Scheme, my Lord.
Scheme.
SCHEME.
In the federal teacher scheme.
Yes, my Lord.
Is he a federal government staff?
No, my Lord. So is it true that after since you did not participate?
So why are you asking that question?
Because it was part of the scheme that brought about his appointment, my Lord.
That he has to participate in the federal government teacher scheme.
It's the federal teacher scheme. It's a scheme. After which they have
federal government teachers or for us.
No,
listen,
sorry.
For all teachers in the country.
No, not
for all teachers in the country.
No, that is the scheme which he was appointed.
Okay, go ahead. And
Yes,
he said he did not.
He said he did not participate. So
go ahead to the next question.
In that federal teacher scheme, you will not know that after 2 years, participants are absorbed as full-fledged teachers.
No.
So you are not among the initial batch, known as batch A. You are not in any batch. Mr. Sebastian, since according to you, from your statement of claim, you said you have been at your duty post all along. So you must be aware of the verification exercise that was carried out on 4th of April.
No, listen, as he answered the last question with regards to
yes,
employment after 2 years of participation.
Sorry, my Lord. He answered no.
Okay. So go to the next one.
Yes, my question, my Lord, to him is, since according to their statement of claim, you are being at your duty post all along, you must be aware of the verification exercise that was carried out on 4th of April 2010 by the chairman of Ibadan Local Government Council. Sorry.
Pardon?
That is the question.
Yes, pardon.
You said you have been along, you have been at your duty post all the while. Yes.
I'm listening.
I say, were you aware? According to you, you have been at your duty post all along. So you must be aware of the verification exercise. There was a verification exercise that was carried out on the 4th of April 2010 by the chairman of the Ibadan Local Government Council. Are you aware of it?
No, not aware.
My Lord, he said no.
In 2010?
Yes, my Lord, 4th of April 2010. Since you are not aware of it, it means you did not attend the exercise. And you do not know what the outcome was.
About further teachers, I don't know.
You stated that you and other claimants were employed at separate times by the defendants. Please be specific. Which of the defendants employed you?
Pardon?
You stated that you and other claimants were employed at separate times by the defendants. My question is, can you be specific now and tell us which of the defendants employed you? Which of them? Which of, if you look at your process, your originating process, which of you should know. You should know who employed you. The least you should know it. At least you should know who employed you.
Who employed you? Witness, who employed you? You are presented before this court your letter of employment. Who employed you? Can you talk to the court now, witness? Who employed you? Eh? Who employed you? Witness, can I hear you talk?
Subeb.
What is Subeb? Because your letter is saying Ibadan Local Government Education Authority. Is that the body that employed you?
Oh my God.
Or Universal Basic Education Board?
Yes. Basic Education Board.
Go ahead, Learned Counsel.
Mr. The police conducted a screening and exercise of all in 2016. Are you aware?
Yes.
Were you aware?
Yes. What's great?
Do you agree? Because
Omale Esquire, you are muted.
Sorry, my lord. I said, since you said you were employed by Subeb, the third defendant in this suit, I'm asking, do you agree that the third defendant, that is Subeb, is a supervisory and regulatory body for primary school education in Kogi State?
Omale Esquire.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my lord.
Tell the court in your final written address about it.
My lord, I just wanted to pick out the point. He said Subeb employed him. So I'm just trying to point out that, does he know that Subeb is merely a supervisory and regulatory body for primary school education in Kogi State?
Okay, witness, tell the court.
My lord. That's the question of law, my lord. Yes, but it's a foundation for my next question.
So go to your next question.
Yes, my lord. Do you agree that is not the duty of SUBEB to pay teacher salaries? How will you know? My Lord, you said it doesn't know whether it is SUBEB that pays salaries. My next question is, all the documents you tendered in this court, they are meant to show that you were employed by Ibaji local government area, sued in this action as second defendant, isn't it?
Hello?
All the documents that you tendered, not defendant, not the I said they are meant to show that you were employed by Ibaji local government area, sued in this action as second defendant, isn't it?
It's not superb now.
Should I take the question again, sir? Should I take the question again, sir? My question is, all the documents you tendered a while ago, the documents you tendered, they are meant to show that you were employed by Ibaji local government area that is sued as the second defendant, right? Is that correct?
I'm not getting you very well.
And you are in the same courtroom.
All documents you
The last question again.
I said all the documents that a while ago, they are meant to show that you were employed by Is that right? Show this court. Is that right? So, as a teacher, you must know what an internal circular is. As if you know what an internal circular is. Said yes. So it is a document to notify you. It's a document to pass all notices of official affecting the
Lord, we cannot.
I said, go ahead.
Used to pass on notices of official information affecting the workforce of the were asked for duty post all the while. So that means, no doubt, you saw the internal circular dated 30th December 2010, affecting you and your other people.
Lord, I object to that.
No.
I didn't even hear the question.
He's talking about a book that is not in evidence and asking about the knowledge of the content of that document. Meanwhile, you can get the that. He's asking whether
Omale, I didn't get the question. I didn't get your question. So repeat that question again.
Come and share with me.
I'm sorry, my lord.
I said I didn't get your question.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'll repeat it. I said, since Mr. Ayas, since you were at the duty post all the while, no doubt you must have seen the internal circular dated 30th December 2010 affecting you and other people.
Is that circular in court? Is the circular before the court?
My lord, we intend to, before the person.
Eh?
No. It has not yet been.
You intend to do what?
My Lord.
So withdraw that question.
As copied.
Any other question? Any further questions?
Yes, my Lord. So when would you say your grievance against the defendant started? Was it in 2010 or 2016?
My Lord, I'll object to that question
What are you
again.
objecting?
How will you say when the grievance was started?
You cannot talk in 2016. So was it in 2010 or in 2016?
My Lord, I object to that question.
I'll repeat it. I said, so when
Repeat
would
the
you?
question.
Yes, my Lord. I said, so when would you say your grievance against the defendant started? Was it in 2010 or in 2016?
No, it's 2016.
I'll stop you. My Lord, that will be all for me.
Very well. Any re-examination?
My Lord, sir, there's no re-examination, sir.
Is that all for the claimant?
That's all for the claimant, sir. You don't intend to may I apply that in discharge?
CW, you are discharged. Claimant case is closed. What date for defense?
If we are ready today, we are ready, sir.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Why can't you be ready?
Court registrar, what date?
19th June, my lord.
It's convenient, my lord.
It's convenient, my lord.
19 June.
That matter, you will not have 19.
Case adjourned to 19/6/2023 for definite defense.
As the court pleases.
Any other matter?
Yes, my lord. Two more. Case number 6, NICN LKJ 17, 2022, between Lokoja Nathaniel Jewel and the chairman, Kogi State Local Government Service Commission, and 5 others. My lord, the claimant is in court. Defendant up.
Appearances.
May it please, my lord. My name is Austin Oboni. Humbly, my lord, I'm claimant.
Any other appearance?
Yes, my lord, we prefer.
Any other appearance for the defendant?
Yes,
Mr. Ojokaye.
Yes, my lord.
Very well.
My humble appearance, my lord, Sunji Ojokaye Esquire, Assistant Director for the defendants.
Very well. The matter is for defense. Are you ready?
Unfortunately, we are not ready, my lord, because our witness for like have been
Because
trying.
your
Because is that
witness.
because
I cannot hear you. You traveled.
We couldn't reach our witness, my lord.
Come and use this one.
Because of what?
Because
this is local government, local governments in the state, and we could not communicate with him on phone. We could not get him on phone.
Since 21st of February.
No, my lord,
Since 21st of February, you couldn't get in touch with him.
No, my lord, we were in touch
before, but just like about 5 to 6 days ago, when his phone and we are not making effort to see if somebody can go down there and
Mr. Ojoka, I cannot make anything out of what you're saying. I can't hear you. Are you in the courtroom? Tablets properly before you and talk to it.
No, if my lord can hear me now.
Yes, I can hear you now.
I say, few days ago, that when we were trying to establish contact again, we intend to make a by him
coming to court.
Mr. Austin Oboni.
Yes, my lord.
What did Mr. Ojoka say? What did he say with regards to his witness? You can relate it to me, your response to it.
He has been struggling to reach his witness for over 6 days now. And he has not been able to come and use my.
Yes, my lord.
He has not been able to reach him.
Yes, my lord. We have not been able to reach him. And we
have not been able to reach
him on phone.
So when you couldn't reach him, Mr. Ojoka, why didn't you write a letter to the ministry or department that where he works, or contact any other person there?
My lord, we have contacted them, and they will test, or because of the distance of the place, it will require car traveling down. The local government headquarters where you work, several capital now. So we intend to do if you're.
Mr. Ojoka, Mr. Oboni, what's your reaction to that?
The claimant came all the way back, and I've been communicating with him. They applied that maybe this is a labor court that justice is enjoying expedited. That if it's not ready, the court for that will address the court, sir. He can address the court calling a witness.
To use the list of your document procedure.
Or in any case, my lord can make it serious by awarding a court to us, so that by next date there will not be an excuse again.
Cost of how much?
So I'll just carry my lord.
No, No, my lord. My lord, we only take your lordship's urgent. Today, this is the first time. Today, this is the first time. And it's a matter of fact. We put the call through to the phone number, and we could not reach the witness. We just asked your lordship to permit us for this time. At the next date, we'll be able to produce the witness.
What date?
Most grateful, sir.
25th June.
Give us again, I think. So
What date for definite defense? What registrar, I'm talking to you. What date for definite defense?
25th June, my lord.
21st is not convenient for me.
No, 21.
21
June.
is not convenient for me. I read in Abuja on that day. That's what I've been saying since. 19th is convenient. 20th is convenient. 19th, 20th is convenient for me, my lord. 21 is convenient for me. 19th. Let's give us 19 for defense.
Registrar, I'm waiting. Court registrar, can you hear me?
Yes, my lord.
What date is convenient for the court?
It's 21st, my lord.
If there is no date in June, go to July.
Go to July.
We've not gotten date in July yet.
Give us 19. This is
Abuja Court Registrar. What date in July for Lokoja?
I'll be called back in.
17th and 18th
of July, convenient.
18th of July.
18th is convenient.
18/7/2023 for definite defense. For the next case. For the next case.
Yes, number 7, NICN LKJ 2020 between Mrs. Negedu Ademu Abojenyene and Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Kogi State, and 3 others. Parties are absent.
Appearances.
Need from the open court, my lord.
Appearances.
May it please my lord, my name is Oluwafemi O Adigboyega. State Legal Advisor, Kogi State Ministry of Justice. I appear for the defendants, applicants in this matter, my lord.
Any other appearance? Kneel for the claimant.
My lord, it
Any
appears.
claimant counsel online?
My lord, there's no other person online, my lord.
Mr. Atta is not online.
Not at all, my
Okay,
lord.
so
Just,
Mr. Idigbe, what do you want the court to do?
my lord, the matter was adjourned to today for the hearing of Mr. Atta's motion for summary judgment. My lord, at the last adjourned date, Mr. Atta was also not around. and the matter was
Court registrar, did you serve hearing notice?
Yes, my lord, he was served, and I personally called him to inform him of today's date.
Okay.
After the court sitting last time.
Go ahead, Mr. Idigbe.
So, my lord, it appears that the claimant is no longer interested in pursuing this matter. In the circumstance, my lord will be asking that the court should dismiss this suit. The defendants haven't filed their statement of defense, and issues haven't been joined.
I didn't see registrar. I look for him. For Salah. Okay. No,
That is our humble application, my lord.
Very well. I will
My
ask
lord,
that.
May we rely My lord, may we rely on Order 38, Rule 3, Sub Rule 1. Of the National Industrial Court.
Yes. I will ask that very well. I will give a last chance benefit of the doubt to the claimant and ask that a personal hearing, and if by the next agenda she's not in court, then the court will then go your way.
My lord, there was a glitch in the connection, my lord. I didn't hear what my lord said. I apologize.
So you didn't hear me well. I said I will give the claimant. Can you hear me now?
I can hear, my lord. I can hear, my lord, loud and clear. Loud and clear, I can hear, my lord.
Very well. Yes, I said I'll give the claimant the benefit of the doubt by asking that the bailiff of court issue and serve a personal hearing notice on the claimant for her to be in court at the next sitting, failing which the case will be dismissed.
As the court pleases.
So court registrar, give me a short date, a May date.
24th May, my lord.
Is it convenient?
My lord, it's not convenient for me. 24th May, I have an adoption at the house of my lord, 23rd is convenient for me. 23rd is convenient for me. Is convenient for me. If it's convenient.
Is it convenient for the court? Court registrar, is it convenient for the court? Is 23rd convenient for the court?
My lord is choked.
So if it's choked, then go to another month.
25th is also convenient for me, if it's convenient for the court.
My Lord, 21 June. May dates are filled up.
That's why I'm saying that if the whole of May is filled up, go to June.
21 June.
21 is convenient for me.
Okay.
I'm most grateful, my Lord.
Like I said, I'll give the claimant the last opportunity to appear personally in court at the next adjourned date, failing which her case is to be dismissed. Case adjourned to 24th of June 2023. Hearing notice to be served personally on the claimant.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
I'm most grateful.
Proof to be filed.
As court pleases.
Any other matter?
That is all for today, my Lord.
Very well. So I will rise. I'm rising from Lokoja.
I'm most grateful, my Lord.
Court.